The hemming stitch is, surprise, surprise, used for all types of hemming. So we're going to use one piece of muslin for this sample, and we are going to fold the hem over on the hemline. So we'll consider the line that's drawn on there the hemline. And so we're going to fold over, finger pressing on that line. And then we're going to turn under the raw edge 1/4 inch. Once again, we're going to eyeball this, and we're going to finger press it. And then we're going to turn it up. So we're going to use a single thread with a knot. And we are going to bring the needle through the inside of the fold to start. So here you see we have this fold. We're going to hide our knot right there in that fold. How great is that? So there it is, hidden. And then we're going to pick up 1 or 2 threads from the right side. We're going to pick up 1 or 2 threads from the right side of the garment. And then in one motion we are going to angle our needle so that it comes up through the seam allowance about 1/4 inch farther along. I'm going to pull that through, and it's going to be really important when you are doing a hem that you don't over tighten your thread, because you will get a pucker all the way through your hem and you will have to do it over again. So we come directly up from where we just came out, just on the top of that fold, straight up from where we just came out. We're going to pick up those threads, angle our needle so that we are always traveling forward the same distance. And we're going to space these about 1/4 inch apart. When it comes to hems, you never want to be more than 1/4 inch apart, because then things can get caught in said hem, such as the heel of a pair of high heels, or a finger when someone is putting on a sleeve. You don't want their pinky to be able to get stuck in there and rip out that stitching. So between 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch. And then on the right side of the fabric, you just have these tiny little prick stitches. Now, if we were using a matching thread, they would disappear. With a little bit of pressing to relax that fabric, you wouldn't even see those. And that is the hem stitch. And take your time to make sure you get just the tiniest amount of fabric. And when it comes time to finish your stitching, you're going to have to take a tiny bite. And when you get to the end, you're going to pick up 2 threads, come through the fold, and we're going to make a knot right here at the edge of the fold. I'll do my 3 wraps around the needle knot. And there we are. The hem stitch.